Akiaria hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro, Ngabana wa kaunti ya Narok Samuel Tunai augite ni marikitie guthomithia arigitani makiria ya 100 aria marikitie kuigwo runyanjara-ini rwa Masaai Mara niguo guthima ndariri o ciothe cia homa ya coronavirus kuri andu aria maracera kuo.
View of the special status of the Masaai Mara as a tourism hub, the county government of Narok is deploying health personnel to all entry and exit gates and airstrips of the park to monitor the health status of arriving and departing tourists. We are also deploying medical personnel in tourist facilities within the Mara as well as major public transport points. This includes the bus stage to provide requisite public awareness and to monitor and assess any suspect health care incidences.
Tunai augite ni marikitie guthondeka thibitari ya Thirikari na ya Narok na kuiga itanda 20 cia kuiga keheri andu aria manginyitikana na ndariri cia murimu uyu.
Government has formed 2 rapid response teams to provide specialized care to coronavirus patients. The 2 teams are on standby at the Narok Referral Hospital and Kilgoris Sub-County Hospital.
Commissioner wa kaunti no Samuel Kimiti nake akiuria andu kuoya undu uyu na njira nditu kuona wina ugwati noguo akoria ene irabu matie watho uria urutitwo wa gucihinga.
I want to request the bar owners to cooperate because it is not a question of money now. It's a matter of life and death, and therefore we want everybody to cooperate. We have even agreed with the chairman of the Chamber of Commerce that for now the bar business operators to understand.
Lazima muache mkono kulingana na vile mambo iko. Unajua sisi wa Afrika tunaangalia, tunasema kwanza wacha tuone, na hii si kitu ya kuona. It is very dangerous.
Oho Ngabana ni aheanite namba ya thimu 0700322773 iria ingihuthirwo ni muingi kuhura kungikinya mundu ni anyitikana na ndariri cia homa eno. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.